This video will guide you on how to add and manage products with lots and expiry dates. Before watching this video, you should preview the video tutorial on how to add, delete, and edit products to understand the steps to create products in the software. When creating a product, to distinguish between regular products and products with lots and expiry dates, you need to check the box Lot Expiry Date. When checking, the system will display two new boxes: minimum number of days of expiry date to be allowed to import goods. If the product has an expiry date lower than this level, the system will display a warning during the import process. Number of days of warning for products about to expire. The system will send a warning to prioritize selling products that are about to expire. This warning is only displayed in warehouses with the batch management feature enabled. You can also create batches in advance for convenience in the import process later. If you do not want to create them in advance, you can skip this step. To add a new batch, click the Create Batch button, select the production date and expiration date. If necessary, you can enter a secondary barcode for each batch and add a note next to it. When a batch is no longer in use, you enable the Discontinued status to hide it from the list of suggestions. Creating batches in advance saves you time during the warehousing process. Just select the pre-created batch instead of creating a new batch each time. To delete a created batch, click the X before the batch name and confirm the deletion. Note: the batch expiration date feature only applies to products that have this feature checked from the beginning. Old products that have not enabled this feature will not be able to use it. If the product has multiple units of sale, you need to enter the first unit, default, then click the Unit List button to view the default unit and add a new unit. Each unit can be declared with a name and conversion rate compared to the original unit. For example, the default unit of soft drink is can, the next unit is pack and box. A pack has 6 cans, a box has 4 packs, i.e. 24 cans. You need to enter this conversion rate correctly. You can also choose the default selling unit to suggest during the sales process. However, the system still allows you to choose another unit when selling. The selling price will be automatically calculated according to the selected unit. After declaring the units, click the Checkbox button to save. Important note: the batch expiration date feature only applies to products that have this feature checked from the beginning. Old products that have not enabled this feature will not be able to use it. After completing all the information, click the Save button to create the product. For products with shipments, you can still edit information as usual. However, you cannot change the product type, such as removing the shipment feature or switching to attribute classification. If you want to delete the product, click the Delete button. However, products with shipments that have generated transactions cannot be deleted, even if they are in the same accounting period. Thank you for watching the video. Please click subscribe to watch the next videos.